Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini Assistant on your S24 Ultra. First, ensure your device is running the latest software for optimal performance. Then, open the Google app on your phone and sign in with your Google account. This crucial step ensures you can access all of Gemini's personalized features and services right from the start. Once inside the Google app, look for the distinct Gemini icon or a clear prompt to activate the assistant. Tap on it to begin the simple activation process. You'll then be guided to review and accept the terms and conditions, which is a necessary step to unlock Gemini's full potential on your S24 Ultra. With Gemini now active, it's time to personalize your experience. Navigate to the Gemini settings to adjust preferences like its voice and language. You can also manage notification settings and decide whether to enable or disable personal results and extensions, tailoring Gemini to perfectly suit your daily needs. Now you're ready to use your Gemini Assistant. Simply say, "Hey Google," or swipe from a corner of your screen to activate it. You can ask questions, set reminders, or even control your smart home devices. Explore its many capabilities to boost your productivity and get information quickly throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.